Hey, this is Marty from Photoshop Arthouse. So today, Adobe released Nano Banana inside Photoshop. Gemini 2.5 Flash image is now inside Photoshop without any plugins, which is a major advantage now because having it inside Photoshop gives us the ability to make complex edits quicker and more accessible, and we can actually pinpoint what we want directly on the image. It just saves a whole boatload of time. It's only in Photoshop Beta, so what you can do is basically open up the Creative Cloud app, go into Home, click Apps, and click Beta. Alright, so if we take this image and we want to make changes in it, I'll press Ctrl or Command A to select the entire image since I'm going to change its camera angle to see a different perspective of the scene. If you don't have the contextual taskbar open, go to Window and click Contextual Taskbar at the bottom. Click Generative Fill. Before we type in the prompt, click on an icon here. Currently, it'll either be the Firefly icon, the Flux Context Pro icon, or the Gemini 2.5 icon, which is Nano Banana. For this tutorial, we'll use Nano Banana. In the prompt, I'll type in, place the camera in the middle of the street so the corner building is on the left of the photo. After typing in the prompt, click Generate, or you can press Enter or Return. It takes about 10 or 15 seconds, and voila! I mean, look at this. It's truly amazing how it figured out what the other side of the corner building looks like. I mean, check out the ornamental details like the windows, the pillars, and the second level architectural details. I mean, it kept all of that, and the street has the same qualities and characteristics of the other street around the corner. So let's change the building's sign to a bright blue neon sign. I'll open the Selection Brush tool and brush over the sign. I'll click Generative Fill and type in Change Word to Blue Neon Sign, and then I'll press Enter. Bam! I mean, it's really amazing. I mean, it's remarkable. Using the same steps, I changed the wording of this sign to Pizzeria. Wow. I think I spelled it right. Not sure. Anyway, yeah, I mean, it's... Let's see what... I'm going to press Ctrl-Shift-Alt-E. This creates a composite snapshot of my image. I'm going to select the entire image again by pressing Ctrl or Command A. I'll click Generative Fill and type Overhead Drone Shot. And I'll press Enter. Wow. Hey, look at the neon right here. Anyway, I just wanted to show you that you can now use Nano Banana in Photoshop. Think of it as a tool. It's not going to replace Photoshop per se. I mean, it does do a lot of heavy lifting, obviously, away from certain tasks that we have to do, but it's just a tool, and you should really just treat it that way. Anyway, this is Marty from Photoshop Arthouse. Take care, be safe, and be kind. See you next time.